Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on XVG. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on XVG was bounced very well from a very long-term uptrend line support, and this was one of those videos. And now, if we take a look at the live 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this was the support from where the price end was bounced. And by the way, this support is coming from here from the month of August 2023. We had a bounce here, another bounce here, several more touch points and bounces here. Then recently, the price end is bounced again here in the month of April 2025. And recently we have broken out this very long-term resistance of $0.0045 and moving towards the next resistance. In fact, this is a very, very huge rising broadening wedge pattern that XVG has formed here on the 7-day time frame chart. Here we have higher highs, and here we have this uptrend line support. You can see that it is forming higher highs and higher lows. This time it has, by the way, formed another higher low than previous one. And now there is a probability that it may form another higher than previous high. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for LTO, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 29th of April. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of XVG. And this is a 7-day time frame chart. Previously, by the way, we have been following this breakout from this wedge. And before that, I was showing you this breakout. And even I was showing you this wedge before the breakout as well. And you can see that since we have broken it out, it is still moving inside this very big and huge broadening rising wedge pattern, and it is forming higher highs and higher lows. Like it formed a high here. The next high was the higher than previous one. Another higher high, another higher high, and here it is also forming higher lows as well. And recently it bounced again from this support other broadening rising wedge pattern. This time before the resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern, we will have another resistance zone that starts from 1.7 cents and goes to 2.1 cents. And this resistance zone was the reason that despite we have formed another higher high, but the price could not hit the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. For example, if the price breaks out this resistance zone, then it can hit the broadening rising wedge pattern somewhere here, approximately at 5.5 cents. Now, here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, and the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between 8 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.